Hello guys. Uh, my sink was clogged very bad. I tried Drano, it didn't work. I tried plungers, that didn't work. So I was getting ready to call some plumbers to fix it for me. Maybe I don't know, remove the pipes underneath, use a snake to open the plug. But I just came up with this idea. To use the water hose that I use to water the grass. I put it here and I plugged one of the holes, as you see, and then I connected the hose, and the other end I put it in the hole, and then you turn on the water all the way, and you hold this one down, and with your other hand this one, just to make sure it doesn't come up, and let it let the water run for, I don't know, 30 minutes, 1 minute. It should work. I used cold water. You may need to use hot water depending how bad it is, and that worked for me.